Welcome to 20 Dufferin Street and quiet life associated with small-town living. Here you are within walking distance to Burford's many amenities. When you walk through the front door into the foyer, you're standing in an impressive open-concept modern home. The cathedral ceiling in the living room provides the spacious feeling that most people are looking for. The generous-sized eat-in kitchen has tons of storage that is enhanced with a walk-in pantry, large eating area with easy access to the private covered two-tiered deck and barbecue area. On the east side of the home you find the primary bedroom that enjoys a walk-in closet and a spacious 5-piece bath. The west side of the main floor has two more generous-sized bedrooms that share a common 4-piece bath. Rounding out the main floor is the laundry room that enjoys lots of natural light with lots of work area for folding and sorting. Downstairs you find a large recreation room complete with a television nook and cold cellar. 2 extra large bedrooms, a playroom, gym area and rough-in bath. This home is only 3 years old and is built where there was once an older home. There are only 2 things remaining from the original homestead. The first is the 21 by 28 foot garage and the second is the door for the pantry. Everything else is new.